Hello all, welcome to Shilpis Academy. Now let us see a quick revision on the topic accommodation of bills from CA Foundation. Yeah, what is accommodation of bill? Let us take the example of Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A and Mr. B. See, generally what happens? Generally A will make a sale to Mr. B and B will not be having sufficient cash to immediately pay to Mr. A. So what he does, he gives a bill saying that I will pay you, I promise to pay you a sum of rupees 3,000 or 5,000 at the end of 3 months or 4 months, whatever it is, he would give a bill. But in case of accommodation bill, generally what happens is neither A made any sale or there is any nor there is any existing liability from B to make any payment to Mr. A. This is how the scenario would be. Here Mr. A and Mr. B are in need of cash. So what they will do, they will enter into a agreement saying neither I have cash nor you have cash. Let's go to a bank. Let's get a bill discounted and we'll get cash from the bank. So how this is going to happen? Now what Mr. B does is, Mr. B draws a bill to Mr. A saying that I promise to pay Mr. A 3,000 after 3 months. He would draw a bill to a promissory note to Mr. A saying that he promised to pay rupees 3,000 after 3 months. Now Mr. A would take this 3,000 rupees bill to the bank and get it discounted from the bank for rupees 2,800. Here there was no existing sale transaction. There was simply a bill in between Mr. A and B. And now Mr. A will get that 2,800. He would give that 1,400. In that half of the amount he would give to Mr. B. So, though Mr. B is giving only 1,400, this discounting charge of rupees 200 should be, discounting charge of rupees 200 should be, discounting charge of rupees 200 should be borne by Mr. A and Mr. B equally. So, what happens? A's liability would be 1,500 and B's liability would also be 1,500. So journal entries for that would be bills receivable to Mr. B would be 3,000 and then bank discount to bills receivable would be 2,800, 200 and 3,000, and Mr. B to bank to discount would be 1,500, 1,400 and 100. So the rest of the part of accommodation bill we'll see in the next video. Thank you.